Hello, this is Joel from the Relay team, and in today's video I want to show you and explain to you what the whole EU migration topic is all about. Since October 2025, Relay is very proud to hold the MiCA license, and with that there are some regulatory requirements and changes for you if you are a EU user. We now need to actually migrate you to our EU entity to satisfy and actually also enable you all of the possible features if you are a EU users. Those include higher trading limits, things like instant transactions and local bank accounts, where you don't have to pay the fees you had to pay previously if you transferred money to us to Switzerland, and obviously a much more simplified overview. To get started with this, and you'll now see the app soon, you need to actually be on the latest version of the Relay app. And once you open this, you get prompted to migrate to Relay EU. You will see all of the explanations here and see all of the details why we need to do this. There's also additional information. But once you're satisfied and you actually check all the boxes and you hit the button, it will take a few seconds for you to show that you are being migrated. And once it's done, you'll then get to the overview on the home page. And once you're in there, you'll see a pop-up popping up actually, because we now also need to re-verify your address. This is not something that's on us. This is, again, a regulatory requirement, and it's being treated differently in the EU than in Switzerland. Rather than the geotag we did before, you now need to upload a document. So if you want to do this right away as well, to complete the migration, click into the box on the home screen where it urges you to upload an address verification. And on the next screen, you will then see the possibilities to upload different documents. Pro tip, have that document ready beforehand on your phone, ideally as a PDF, and make sure that it is one of the documents that we require, ideally a utility bill, maybe from your phone provider, or a bank bill where you can actually show your address. Once you have that ready and uploaded there, it will again take a few seconds. It will then prompt you that we are checking this data. Once that is done, your entire migration is complete, and you will then be able to use the Relay app as an EU user with all of the advantages I mentioned previously. I will also record some tutorial and publish them in the coming days on how to set up an auto invest or single buy with the new IBANs, where to find the IBANs, and all of the new details and features I mentioned. As always, if you have questions, we are here for you, whether that be in the app or on social media, or just leave a comment below. Just reach out if you have anything to say. Until then, I wish you the best of days, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.